Hey, what's up? What's up? My name is Mayo Wow Wolabi, and in today's training, I want to share something with us that really happened um, today, which is the 4th of January 2021. And during the before the London session, I saw the supply that was created here, this level. So, and this is a trade that gave us a real, real return on investment. Because if you've been following my channel, I keep emphasizing on what is called return on investment, which is risk reward, RRR. Now, it could be very slow for you to begin to adapt to understanding the power of return on investment. What are you risking? What are you making? So a lot of traders' challenge is that they just want to make money. They don't want to trade as a businessman. And until you start trading Forex that way, until you start trading Forex the right way, you might not be able to be consistent with your profit. Are there people who make good money without trading risk reward? Yeah, they could be, but obviously you know that if you do not do it the right way, you definitely get hot very, very, very soon. Okay, so you want to make sure you understand what am I risking and what am I risking. If I'm risking 1% of my account or I'm risking 2% of my account, you must make sure you're using your calculator to get that done. But today, I just want to share with you a potential over 1 to 6, 1 to 6, over 1 to 6 reward, 1% to 6% return on investments in just one day. So last night I saw this rally-based drop. Rally-based drop is an institutional level. So we had this retracement that gave it, the market went up and created a base and a drop. So this level became an institution level. Okay, so this is an institution level. So I saw this on Sunday night. So when I saw this on Sunday night, I expected the market to move into it and give me my entry strategy. And I've told you over and over again, there's various entry strategy. Either you're using break and retest money candle, you're using inside bar. I think I taught you guys inside bar. This is an inside bar entry in your order in this order block. Okay, in this other block, this is an inside bar. So if you enter this trade because of inside bar training that I taught you guys the other time, it's still on my channel. This would be a stop loss of 15 pips, and the trade gave us 43 pips, which is about 1 to 3. Okay, but personally, I don't like to use more than 10 pips or 11 pips stop loss. Once it is more than 10 pips, I might not pick that trade because I want a huge return on investment in my trade. So, and the only way to get that is to use lower time frame entries. And that would take us to 1 minute. So I'm going to go from, because the market now has moved from here. The market has moved from here. It went up, came down. It kept on moving sideways into this place. And because it went sideways, that means that this remains an impulse led, and this remains a what? A reversal. Okay, so we need to get the best entry we can get here. So how do we get this best entry? We'll go to 1 minute. So on 1 minute, I was able to go in on my sniper entry strategy. So when I saw, before the London session, I saw the market moved and gave me my entry. I had liquidity level was removed here. And as the liquidity level was removed here, I knew that that is a suspect. I also the market also removed another liquidity level here. And if you have studied Wyckoff theory, you will understand that you have what is called, let me go a bit, good. So you have what is called, you have your PS here, which was a preliminary support, okay? You have your buy ceiling here, buy ceiling. You have your AR here, which is your alternate level. Then the AR gave us a UT, which is uptrust, okay? And the uptrust gave us sign of weakness, sign of weakness, and sign of weakness gave us uptrust at redistribution, uptrust after distribution. And the uptrust after distribution gave us a lower low, and it broke this low. It broke this low, which is break of structure. So this place is actually break of what? Break of structure, which is, I call it BOS, break of structure. So this is a break of structure. Now immediately I saw this break of structure, which has happened already, I knew that we are ready for a good sell. So you can use your Fibonacci. Okay. So to Fibonacci, you can use Fibonacci, or you use another block, anyone that you prefer. So that's it. On that move, during the London session, the trade got triggered. Okay. And the stop loss is just above. So I was able to reduce a potential 15 pip stop loss, about 15 to 30 pip stop loss. I was able to reduce it to 6 pip stop loss. So the 6 pip stop loss drove the trade down to 1 to 7. So this will be my take profit 1, which means that once he hit this place, I would close one of my trade and I'll break even and I'll allow the rest to run. So basically, with the Wyckoff theory and supply and demand, I've been able to crack this and nail it out. So with this is a 1 to 7 risk reward. So that means if you are risking $10, you have a potential $70 to make, okay, in return. If you're risking $100, that means you're to make back $700, which is a very good deal for you and I. So with your Wyckoff sniper entry, so a lot of time people in the free group see how I give sniper entry and they're like, Mr. Mayo, why are you getting 4 pip stop loss, 3 pip stop loss, and you are killing it that way? So basically this is how it works. You need to identify your area of interest. You need to make sure you understand area of interest, okay? When you get the area of interest, then you are able to move in with your entry after you've gotten the best area of interest. So CAD JPY gave us 1 to 7 and it's still running. We also have another trade on CHF JPY also today, which is 4th, okay? I also saw an order block here. Sorry, an equal level here. And on this equal level, we also have a demand here, okay? So we have a demand here on daily. Okay, so this is the demand on daily. This is the demand on daily, and it's also an order block, okay? If you don't know what is order block, you can Google it so you understand what order block is, but it's really not hard. It's the bullish candle before the uptrust, okay? That's order block. This is a bullish order block. for a sell now. Green candle, red candle, bearish order block. Red candle, green candle, red candle, bearish order block. So the same way we have a bullish order block here. So with this bullish order block, instead of me using my instead of me using 32 pips stop loss, which is not a bad one, probably to make to the top, maybe 1 to 4. What I do is, for my daily, I just go to lower time frame, either 3 minutes or 1 minute. So on that 1 minute, what do? I simplify the process to let people know that, okay, what you need to know, that you need to be able to get a better entry for yourself. And a better entry is the same move. So what do? You make sure, number one, you can use divergence if you understand divergence. But basically, you need to understand either you're using Wyckoff entry or you're using engulfing removal. So that's various lower time frame entry you can use. So, but for the sake of this profit today, I'll just show you using the Wyckoff. So the first thing you always notice is you want to get your preliminary support, and we already have a preliminary support here, and the preliminary support gave us a preliminary support should be here. Sorry, this is your preliminary support. Your preliminary support gave us a sell ceiling. Okay, sell ceiling, and the sell ceiling gave us AR, which is a level of reversal. AR, and AR dropped down back, gave us what is called ST, which is sell trust, okay? And the sell trust gave us what we know as sign of strength, okay? Which is sign of strength. So the sign of strength here came down back and gave us a spring, okay? And at the spring, that is where you would be dealing with your entry. Now, once all these patterns, all these theories are proven, all you need to do is to wait for the next break of levels to be there, to be removed. So we have this level that will be removed, okay? So we have, so this is the last swing that dropped. So because this is the last swing that dropped, we need this level to be removed. And you can see and understand what I'm talking about. So you can see the market went up and removed this level. And because it had removed this level, this is now what is called break of what? Break of structure, okay, or liquidity level. So as the market went up, don't fight it, don't drag with it, let it go up. And at the level, let it start coming down. It has to come down back to the level of retracement. And you can see that that dropped it from here, it dropped it down to this place. Okay, it dropped it down to this place. So around 8:47, the trade got triggered, London session. And this is just a 4 pips stop loss, okay? And it moved throughout the London session. Throughout the London session, it moved, okay? And it gave 80 pips. So like I said, we want to go for 1 to 10, 1 to 5, 1 to 15. But this particular trade gave 1 to 17. So let's say you are really skeptical, you want to be, at least you come out at the TP1 level and you allow the other trade to keep going, which is other levels you can. So with this, this is 1 to 16. So if you have if you're risking $10, if $10 is your stop, is your risk, according to your account balance, you have a potential $160 to have made here. Okay, if you are risking maybe $20, you have a $320 to make it. So that's the power of you using sniper entry strategies that will give you a high risk reward, and you're good to go. Okay, so that will help you to be able to really make a lot of money and be consistent. So if you're risking $10, which I recommend, so let's say you are risking $1, 1% of your account. Your goal here, or what the market delivered, is 16% in just one day. So I tell people there's no amount you can make from this market. You just need to get it right. And the secret is practice, practice, practice. Euro JPY did the same thing. In the same day, they all did the same thing. So I'm going to just go through two more pairs and see how you have a potential over 30 to 40 pips, 30 to 40% of your account in just one day. Did you hear that? In just one day. So we had a sell entry at this level, and let's go to the lower time frame. The same thing. The same thing. The same thing. Okay, I think it's the buy. This is the buy. It's not a sell. This is the sell that later happened today, but this is the buy I'm talking about. Okay, this is the buy that I'm talking about. The same thing. PS, sell limit, sign of strength, sell trust, sign of strength, spring. This is your entry today. Okay, this is your entry today. Okay, so this gave us another good potential. This happened during the London session around 8:47, which was the same time CHEF JPY also happened. Okay, this is a potential 5 pips stop loss, and this gave us 1 to 11 pips, 1 to 11%, 1 to 11% today. So guys, it's for you to understand how it works. We also had it on GCHEF. We had a sell on GCHEF today. Okay, so you want to understand how this really works. This is GCHEF. GCHEF, crazy guys. Look at it. GCHEF gave us 1 to 39 risk reward. So imagine you are risking $10 to make $390. Okay? Because some people used to ask, Mr. Maiwa, how did you grow $70 to $72? $77 to $2,000 in a week. And it's not anything gimmicks, and it's not over leverage. It's not, you just have to understand how it works. So the same behavior, you have this is a redistribution. Okay, this is a redistribution. And after the redistribution, you see the same thing. The market does the same thing over and over again. PS, buy ceiling, up trust after distribution, the market dropped down, gave us this, and see, look at this, 1 to 39. 1 to 39. So throughout the London session, GBP CHEF was falling like crazy, and it gave 160 pips. So imagine in a day, you've done over 100% of your account. Okay, why? Carefully look at CAD JPY gave us 7%. Euro JPY gave us 16%. CHEF JPY, I think, gave us 11%. CHEF JP, then GBP CHEF gave us 39%. So altogether today, you add a potential 7 plus 11 plus 16 plus 39. Okay, that's about 73% on a Monday morning, where where some traders will not trade. But when you understand the institution way of trading, you can do a lot for yourself. Okay, so stay tuned. I'm going to be putting a lot of educational materials for you guys, for those who are not in our community, so that you can learn and practice on your own. And when you start making money and you want to belong to a community, you can feel free to chat me up or send me an email. Just feel free, but make sure you're really, really ready to learn and put all of this to work, okay? Guys, so this is institution trading using order block and Wyckoff theory. My name remains Mayo Wawolabi. I'll talk to you guys very, very soon. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.